Hello, Boise School District teachers. This is another tool built for you, powered by Google Gemini's Gems. This gem was built using directions to provide you with the best information related to standards-based reporting, your scales, and the Brisk AI tool that our Boise School District currently has. You can use this tool to do things like, I would like to create a presentation, whoops, for a first grade kickoff to my math quarter one learning intention. Give me a brisk prompt for that slideshow. Let's cook it up and see what happens. Brisket. All right, I got a brisk prompt. Look at how it knows what those math learning intentions were. It knows because we powered it with that same information you already have. Is it wrong? Sometimes you need to vet it with your human eyes and make sure that you like it. You can add this to your Gemini chat below and keep iterating, or you can press create with Brisk and see what happens. I'm not going to spoil the surprise for everyone. I just wanted you to see one quick way that you can use this gem to kick your year off.